Manifestation is feeling, not just thinking, but it's also about checking in with yourself to ensure that you're aligned with those feelings. Your intuition is your guide for that alignment. Have you ever wondered if you're unintentionally blocking your desires? I know I have. Today, we'll explore how your intuition can reveal exactly where to adjust your energy. Your intuition is like a compass. It helps you navigate the subtle energies around your desires, showing you where you're aligned and where you might need to adjust. When we're out of alignment, we may feel doubt, resistance, or frustration, but your intuition can bring clarity and guide you back into a state of flow. Intuitive practices like pulling tarot cards, channeled journaling, accessing the Akashic records, or just tuning into the voice that you hear offers a direct line to your higher self or your guides. They provide insights that your logical mind might overlook. For example, a tarot card pull might reveal that you're holding on to fear, even if you consciously feel ready to receive. And that's the power of intuition. It shows you the hidden layers. Remember, we talked earlier in previous modules about things like the tarot cards or a pendulum or anything like that, just energetically tapping into your subconscious and into your higher mind. Whenever I feel stuck or unclear, I read my Akashic records. They help me check in with my energy and see what needs to shift. Recently, I was trying to manifest clarity in my business direction. I had no idea what I wanted to do, and I felt a block. When I opened my records, I realized I'd been focusing too much on external validation and not enough on my own joy. And that small insight shifted everything for me. Using intuition isn't about getting answers handed to you. You're deepening your self-awareness so you can refine your alignment, make little tweaks with your desires. Let's practice using your intuition to check in with your alignment. Grab your journal or a piece of paper and settle into a calm space. Ask your higher self or guides, what is one way I can align more closely with the energy of my desires? Allow the words to flow. Don't overthink or censor yourself. Write whatever comes to mind. And then ask, what energy am I holding on to that no longer serves me? Again, trust whatever comes through, even if it's surprising, because it probably will surprise you. And finally, ask, what feeling can I embody today to stay in alignment with my desires? Let this be a simple yet actionable insight you can carry into your day. Once you've written down your insights, take a moment to reflect on any patterns or surprising revelations. These are your intuitive guides pointing you toward alignment. Here's an affirmation for you about trusting your intuition. I trust my intuition to guide me in creating the life I envision. I encourage you to write this affirmation at the top of your journal or post it somewhere visible, like your bathroom mirror. Your intuition is your greatest ally in life and also in manifestation. Trust its guidance, even when it feels subtle or unexpected. It always knows the way to your highest path. Take a moment every day to check in with your intuition. Use your journal, a card deck, or just quiet reflection. The more you listen, the stronger your alignment will become.